One. So today we'll discuss how to use PYQs and GTs effectively so that you can get a very good rank in upcoming INICET and NEETPG exams. So first of all, theory अपनी जगह important है, but application का use आना भी चाहिए. So that is where PYQs and GTs come in. Similarly, आपने कितनी भी theory पढ़ी हो, but if you don't know how to do the procedures or how to treat a patient, you can't be a good doctor. Similarly, if आपने कितनी भी theory कितनी बार भी notes पढ़े हो, if you haven't practiced PYQs or if you haven't practiced GTs, you can't get a very good rank. So first of all, coming on to GTs. So when you have completed your first reading or first revision, try to start giving GTs from that point only, and try to give GTs at every 7 to 10 days interval. तो क्योंकि लास्ट के एक महीने में क्या होगा ना, आप GTs नहीं दे पाओगे, और फर्स्ट रिवीजन या फर्स्ट रीडिंग में भी आपने अभी सब 19 सब्जेक्ट्स पढ़े ही नहीं है, तो देयर इज नो पॉइंट ऑफ गिविंग GTs. तो जो सेकंड रिवीजन की स्टार्टिंग है और आपके जो सब्सिक्वेंट रिवीजन है, उसमें ही देयर इज द पीक टाइम टू गिव GTs, एंड उस टाइम पर यू कैन गिव एटलीस्ट 10 to 12 GTs, क्योंकि 3-4 मंथ्स ही मिलते हैं बीच में. तो ट्राई टू गिव GTs फ्रॉम द सेकंड रिवीजन ऑनवर्ड. अनदर थिंग इज हाउ टू गिव GTs. तो GTs को बिल्कुल मेन एग्जाम की तरह देना है. ट्राई टू कंप्लीट द GTs वेल बिफोर टाइम, फर्स्ट थिंग. सेकेंड थिंग इज ट्राई टू अटेम्प्ट एज मेनी क्वेश्चंस एज यू कैन, because in main exam also your strategy would be to attempt as many questions as you can. Another thing is try to give GTs when they're live, so that you can see what level of preparation you are in, so you can check your rank also. So try to give GTs when they're live. GTs देने के बाद try to discuss the explanation with your friends, and जो भी आपका GT देने के बाद रिजल्ट आया and you know कि ये सब्जेक्ट आपका वीक है, तो before giving the next GT, 3 to 4 hours before starting your next GT, try to revise that subject so that you will get confident in your weaker subjects. और subsequent GT में when you keep on realizing कि अभी सारे subjects almost same level पे आ चुके हैं, try to revise your 20th copy or your volatile topics before giving GTs. So in this way, your volatile topics and your weaker subjects will keep on getting revised. So this is the way you should use your GTs effectively. Another thing is कि जब भी GT दो and result आए, try to analyze your GT, try to see the questions that you have got wrong, and try to discuss them with your friends so that you will have a memory of the questions got wrong, because event memory create हो जाएगी when you will discuss them with your friends. Now coming on to the PYQs part. So what I personally believe is questions practice करने से अच्छा, QBank practice करने से अच्छा, practice PYQs only, and practice PYQs of NEETPG, INICET and FMG. सबके PYQs प्रैक्टिस करो अपार्ट फ्रॉम डूइंग QBank, क्योंकि PYQs आर द इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन डेफिनेटली, तभी वो किसी एग्जाम में आए. एंड वेन एवर एग्जामिनर क्रिएट्स अ पेपर, ही ट्राई टू सी द PYQs of that particular exam as well as the exams of NEET and this FMG. Suppose एक एग्जामिनर INICET का एक पेपर बना रहा है, he'll see the PYQs of INICET, NEETPG and FMG. Similarly, कोई NEETPG का पेपर बना रहा है, he'll see the PYQs of INICET, FMG too. So try to solve the PYQs of all 3 exams, because that way you will get a lot of help, a lot of questions will get repeated, you will get to know the important topics, and try to solve PYQs from early part of your preparation. And what I personally believe is कि जब आप initial part of preparation में होते हो, try to solve PYQs subject wise. So suppose you are reading pathology, to try to solve PYQs of pathology. Similarly, whenever you are reading medicine, try to solve PYQs of medicine. बट जब आप लेटर हाफ ऑफ प्रिपरेशन में आ जाते हो, तो सॉल्व द PYQs ऑन द ईयर बेसिस, लाइक यू आर सॉल्विंग 2023 PYQ or 2024 PYQ, or you can practice whole paper of that year. So in that way you will get to solve PYQs twice, and in the early part you can solve it by subject wise, and in the later part you can solve it year wise. In that way you will get to revise the QBanks of these PYQs twice, and you will get to know the important topics also. So जब आप PYQs करोगे, and your mind will catch up on the important topics whenever you will revising the notes. So definitely आप जब revise कर रहे होगे notes को, तो your mind will definitely focus on the important topics, because now your mind knows कि इस topic पे, particular topic पे कितनी बार question repeat हुआ. So in that way you can use the PYQs effectively, and you can use the grand test effectively. For PYQs, there's this app called Reflex app. You can try using this app. It's a PYQ only app, and it is also recommended by Dr. Aditya Gupta. You can check it once. All the best.